Hello there, and welcome to Infinity Beyond, where curiosity takes flight and science becomes a gentle guide into the unknown. Tonight's episode is a calm journey into one of the most mysterious forces of existence: time. Time. It ticks, it flows, it slips quietly through our fingers like sand in an hourglass. It shapes every moment of our lives, yet we understand so little about it. Sometimes it moves fast, and sometimes it crawls, especially when we're waiting for the kettle to boil. But what is time, really? Before we dive into the ticking fabric of this universal enigma, let's take a moment of connection. Where in the world are you watching from right now, and what time is it for you? How fitting it is that a video about time begins by asking the time. It's fascinating, isn't it? That something so integral to our lives is also so elusive. We schedule our days, mark our calendars, celebrate anniversaries, all based on this invisible metric. Yet physicists still argue whether time even truly exists in the way we experience it. Let's begin by understanding the basics. The time we live by is based on astronomical events, Earth's rotation giving us days, its orbit around the Sun giving us years. But that's just the practical stuff. In science, time takes on a far more profound role. In classical physics, time is linear. It's like a straight road. You can move forward, but never backward. Isaac Newton saw time as absolute, a fixed stage on which events unfold. But then came Einstein, and everything changed. According to Einstein's theory of relativity, time is not a rigid backdrop. It's flexible. It bends and stretches. The faster you move, the slower time ticks for you. If you travel near the speed of light, time for you slows down relative to others. This isn't science fiction. It's been proven with satellites orbiting Earth, whose clocks tick just a little differently than those on the ground. And gravity? It pulls on time too. A clock on a mountaintop ticks faster than one at sea level. That's gravitational time dilation, a concept that once lived in the realm of science fiction, but is now a vital correction in your phone's GPS system. But what does this mean for our everyday lives? When you're deeply engaged in something you love, time seems to fly. When you're bored or anxious, it drags. This psychological time, subjective time, is governed not by the laws of physics, but by our brain. Neurologically, time perception is tied to attention and memory. The more information your brain processes in a moment, the longer that moment feels. This is why childhood summers seem to last forever. Our young brains were constantly absorbing new experiences. Now let's explore an even weirder idea. Some scientists speculate that time doesn't actually flow. All moments, past, present, and future, may exist simultaneously in what's called the block universe theory. You are just experiencing one slice at a time. That sounds mind-bending, doesn't it? But here's the kicker. According to quantum physics, the future may already exist. Your tomorrow might be out there, waiting for you to arrive, just as your past still echoes somewhere in the universe. Let's pause. Take a deep breath. As strange as all of this sounds, remember this. While physicists seek to measure and define time, humans live it. We feel it in heartbeats, in sunrise and sunset, in the way we miss someone or anticipate something. So the next time you glance at a clock, remember, it's not just tracking time. It's reminding you that you're part of a grand, mysterious unfolding. Time is the music that plays as we dance through life, one fleeting moment at a time. Stay with us, because in the next segment, we'll explore what time means in different cultures and how ancient civilizations tried to control it using shadows, stars, and sacred rituals.